As a new business, how important do you think developing a brand is?
There was a point and I was like, I'm not doing it. I was so done with this whole process.
कॉन्सेप्ट था दिमाग में कि ऐसा कुछ बनवाना है या फिर यू वर लाइक leaving it on the designer to come up with something?
You cannot live without plastic. You have to understand that you have to limit the use of it. We tried website, we tried Instagram, not picking really nicely. Then I started with the exhibition. There was a point and I was like, after this exhibition, I am giving up. With one order of 400 bags.
Wow.
And the moment people started using the bags, all the bags failed.
कोई बात नहीं. Are you nervous?
Yeah,
How nervous are you?
a lot.
Come on. I understand. So today we have a very special friend of mine, Atida. We've known each other from last 20 years. She is an architect turned entrepreneur building a lovely brand, Handy. It's all about sustainable bags. Let's hear more from her. So, Ati,
Yes.
it's been 20 years we've known each other. Can you beat that? Like 20 साल हो गए. क्या क्या बदल गया? Like from studying architecture to now that you're making bags. Tell me more about it. Like कहाँ से pick किया? कैसे idea आया? और Handy.
So COVID started and I went to Indore to work with my Chata Ji's company.
Okay, yeah. Indore is your favorite city, I think.
Oh, it's my love. It's my, I guess, second love.
After Jaipur.
After Jaipur, yes, of course. So I went there. COVID mein I started working with them, and apparently they were plastic industry. They are plastic industry, and when you talk about sustainability, and I've since school, college, ki plastic is not good for environment. You should not use it. It was completely against like my conscience that I'm working in a plastic industry.
Right.
I'm sorry, Chata Ji, but yes, it was there. And I started working there as a marketing executive there. So I was just learning about it, and then I realized that plastic, and COVID was happening, right, and we were getting news daily. Then I realized that plastic is not bad because PPE kits and the dead bodies, they were wrapped up in plastic
Right.
so that the virus is contained.
Yeah, contained inside, right.
So where is plastic wrong in all of this? It became a hero, right? For me, it became a hero because without plastic, we were not able to contain the virus.
That's like a totally new picture coming out for plastic.
So I picked on that and I realized, and then I did my own research and I followed so many accounts on Instagram and all. And then I realized that we humans, we have destroyed everything, and then we put the blame on everything. Like एनिमल्स को हम क्यों काट रहे हैं, क्योंकि अगर हम नहीं काटेंगे तो वो बढ़ जाएंगे, बट हम ही उनको ब्रीड कर रहे होते हैं. प्लास्टिक इज़ नॉट बैड. It was an experimental material and it has given you so many benefits because it is very neutral. It does not react in general, right? So you are carrying chemicals and toxins in plastics. You are doing logistics has become easy on pockets of people for manufacturers. But the plastic has solved so many issues all over the world. How can it be bad? The bad or the evil part for the plastic is that we were not recycling it, or we were not handling the waste properly, right? So I realized that is where we need to step in. I did not want to use the virgin plastic and then make bags out of it. Plastic is a hero, correct. It is being used as a hero. But what about the later part of it when you are dumping it? So that is where I thought we should start doing it.
There
And
lies the challenge.
yes, there was the challenge and there was the opportunity.
Right.
To change the narrative कि इसको हम अभी सही कर सकते हैं. We can actually build us, and it's not even about building a story, it's about building the right track to manage the plastic waste. So then I spoke with my Chacha Ji, and then we just brainstormed it, and he always had this name Handy in his mind somewhere. I don't know why, and he had already.
It was him. I thought it was you.
No, it was him. And I was like, nice, Handy is handy. Like the first thing we tried.
Handy is very handy, yeah.
Yeah, handy is handy, and tagline maybe handies and all.
I remember you coming for the brand development and then you shared this name with me, and I was like, in one go I was solo. There's like, this is the right name for a bag brand. What else can be? Handy.
handy, right?
But the whole thing was that because you wanted to position it in a premium segment somewhere,
Yeah.
because you wanted to earn premium somewhere, yeah.
Yeah.
So how do we make it look premium? The word's casual, but then how do we look at
I know you thrashed me when I showed you the logo, which I
The
got done
previous
from some
one, right?
freelancer, and you were like, Ati, I'll do it for you, please. I'm like, okay. So, and then you designed the logo and like, one go,
Yeah,
I
it
guess.
was lovely. Even I love that brand till date. This branding looks fantastic.
I love it.
But yeah, let's go back to Chachaji and the plastic.
Okay, so he helped me. Yes, he was my biggest support system because he has like 3 or 4 factories, and each factory has a recycling unit of its own.
This is good, yeah. This is good to know.
Yes. So that made me realize that if I have the sources and resources, why not use them? So now, eventually, I started collecting industrial packaging waste.
Okay.
Okay, we collect it, we segregate it,
Okay.
color wise and quality wise. So I'm not using every plastic. I'm using only 2 types of plastic. That is हाई डेंसिटी एंड लो डेंसिटी पॉलीथाइलिन, जिसको हम पॉलीथीन नहीं बोलते हैं, सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक जिसको हम बैन करना चाहते हैं, किड्स टॉयज, शैम्पू बॉटल्स, ये दिस ऑल comes under HDP and LDP, right? Okay. So we use particular industrial packaging waste. We collect it, we segregate it, and there has to be some metric ton to recycle it in one go.
Okay.
So पहले तो मैं collect करती हूँ, फिर उसको साइड में रखती हूँ, फिर जब वो क्वांटिटी में हो जाता है, then we recycle it.
Which is a long process.
It's a time take. Yes, it's a time take.
It sounds like because आप collect कर रहे हो फिर उसका, and what about the residue?
There is no residue.
So the entire thing is used. This is the
That is why we started it, because there is no residue. And I tell you what, I googled it somewhere and I am not really sure about it, but I really like the fact that plastic ko recycle karna is the most energy efficient process as compared to cotton and paper.
I hope. Yes. That will make sure that people listen to this.
So it gave me, it boosted my energy levels or confidence ki yes, I can do this, and then I started doing it. Okay, now I have a brand, I have a challenge, I have the opportunity. I started working on it, and then it came to dealing with labor to get the bags manufactured. Yeah, sampling happened, and then this guy who did it really well, he quit.
Oh.
कि मैंने तो स्टिचिंग करना ही छोड़ दिया बैग्स को. बहुत अच्छी बात है. वो निकल गया वहाँ से, एंड देन द जर्नी स्टार्टेड. दैट वाज द चैलेंज व्हिच आई फेस्ड कि अब किससे कराऊँ. देन आई फाउंड समवन. इंदौर में मैं उसकी गली गली घूमी हूँ मैन्युफैक्चरर से कनेक्ट करने के लिए.
Find a tailor to be precise.
Yes. The quality which I was looking for, because of the premium segment I wanted to build, not in fact premium, it was costing me that much. No. It was not premium because I want to sell premium. It was premium because of the whole process which goes behind it.
How much time does it take to build one bag? Like
A month?
one bag, 1 month. Oh, that's a
On an
big
average,
time.
yes. Yeah.
I'm sure the costing's high because of it. Because if you're, I mean,
Yeah, we
how
are
will you-
picking the plastic. First of all, picking the type of plastic is not easy.
Indeed, huh?
Collecting it, segregating it, cleaning it, and then recycling it in batches. It takes a lot of time and effort.
And how many bags are you producing in a month?
3,000. So 3,000 is not a big number. 3,000 is a very small number, you know that. For any manufacturer, it's a very limited number. And then sometimes you have to stop also because the raw material is not there. Like sales, at some point, sales happen, they don't happen. You struggle
I get
everywhere. So the conceptualization was easy for me, but when it comes to manufacturing and selling, okay, that is the real part. That was the real struggle for me, and it took me like 3 years. 3 goddamn
Position the brand or to market it?
both.
Maybe you did not think of my name. It's okay. Anyway, so coming to a very, it's alright. I wanted to understand कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होने के बाद में अपन उसको सीधा मार्केट में लेके आते हैं, और लाइक यू हैव स्टार्टेड योर ई-कॉमर्स आल्सो नाउ.
Yes.
Like market में as in like are you selling through platforms or you're doing exhibitions, or how are you promoting it?
Earlier, I was doing only through website, Instagram, social media marketing, and I was there on Amazon, right? So that's how we started. Then I realized that this is not enough. We need to do something more. So I got connected friends ke through people in the government, in the central government, that you do this exhibition, you come here, why don't you do in B2B? So I was making a brand which could do D2C. I wanted to make a D2C brand since beginning, right? But then I realized that D2C is good for making a brand, but then it needs a lot of money input. Correct?
Same.
And without sales, you cannot put in money after a point. Okay? So we decided that let's go for B2B. So we tried B2B exhibition there. Right before the exhibition pre, there was a point when I was like, I'm not doing it. I was so done with this whole process, dealing with the manufacturers, dealing with the designers, dealing with the social media people, dealing with the e-com people, and reporting it to Chacha ji obviously, and him not being happy because the sales not happening obviously, because when we are working hard, so where are the sales? And even I was very nervous that why are the sales not happening, what am I doing wrong, what is there which I'm not doing right.
So people are not accepting this kind of a material, or was it that they were questioning whether it is actually a sustainable product? Because of course we know this word is everywhere around right now. Everyone's selling under this sustainable umbrella. A lot of new things are coming up. I was just sharing it with you, like we have got pineapple leather, we've got this oak leather. These are all vegan things that I got to know. Banana, of course. So how was it difficult? Because one side is like people are talking sustainable and bringing this vegan leather into the picture, and then there you are bringing something which is plastic. So was it challenging, or was it the acceptance of the people that it's going to look nice, or should we buy it, or is it even correct, is it right?
All of things happen. All of these things, what you said, everything happened. Like people who are into this community bubble of sustainability, they don't accept plastic. They don't understand that it's okay. You cannot live without plastic. You just cannot. Plastic has entered your life to the core that you cannot just ban plastic from everywhere. You have to understand that. You have to understand that you have to limit the use of it. ठीक है? Plastic की bottles.
Everything is there. Everything.
आपकी
घर
tiffins.
के अंदर. Brush.
Toothbrush.
Not everyone's using a
Clothes.
bamboo. Yeah.
Clothes.
Yeah.
Right. And जो भी हम थैले लेके जाते हैं, सब्जी ला रहे, कुछ भी ला रहे, whatever is सस्ता, it always plastic mix, right?
True.
So you just
Can't
cannot
eliminate.
remove plastic.
We can.
आप खाना पैक करा के मंगा रहे हो, वो प्लास्टिक के डब्बे में ही आ रहा है,
सही बात है.
क्योंकि it is easier, it is lightweight, it is easier to bring it in, and
right.
so you just cannot go away with plastic. But what you need to understand is plastic is not bad. Let's not use plastic for these things, right? And then when you recycle it, you are making sure that
It's not getting collected. It's not harming the environment. It's just not.
लैंडफिल्स में नहीं जा रहा है,
Right.
जानवर नहीं खा रहे हैं, विच इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. जानवर उसको नहीं खा रहे हैं, वो लैंडफिल में नहीं जा रहा है, वो ओशंस में एंड अप नहीं हो रहा है, विच इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट,
Right.
वी हैव डिस्ट्रॉयड एवरीथिंग. मरीन
Yeah.
लाइफ और आपके फ्लोरा फौना ऑन लैंड, एवरीथिंग इज गेटिंग हैम्पर्ड.
It is.
देयर इज नो डिनाइंग टू इट. सो ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट ऑफ प्लास्टिक, विच कंपनीज आर नॉट डूइंग इट. दे क्लेम हम कर रहे हैं, बट दे डोंट डू
No,
इट.
everyone's dumping. Even the governments are not taking initiative. There are no strict rules. There is no penalty for it.
Yes.
People are not scared of throwing it.
MP is way forward in waste management as compared to any other state in India right now.
Yeah, I think
obviously
it's
Sikkim
developing
to-
really nicely. Heard about Indore being one of the finest and cleanest cities.
दैट इज़ देयर ऑब्वियसली. पर अभी जैसे हम मेरे एक एग्जीबिशन थी जनवरी में प्लास्ट पैक करके, उसमें MSME मिनिस्टर वाज देयर, राइट. ही एम्फसाइज्ड कि प्लास्टिक के बिना आप ऑब्वियसली इकोनॉमी ग्रो तो कर नहीं सकते विदाउट यूजिंग प्लास्टिक, बट देन यू हैव टू डू द वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट. You have to take care of waste management.
At least they're talking, or they are
Yeah,
doing it.
They are talking it. And then I was called on the stage to present a bag to him that this is the waste management product in front of you. And then he
That
was
is
talking
a-
to my company people कि हम ये bags कैसे और order कर सकते हैं. मैंने कहा come to me, talk to me.
Sales happening.
Hopefully.
Cash coming in.
Yes.
Talk money.
Yes.
So हाँ, वो 3 years का जो story you were sharing with us कि you had faced a lot of challenges, because Handy was not picking up, or maybe you were not doing it rightly, or whatever the challenges were. Can we hear more about it? What was happening?
Okay, so I was very inexperienced in business. Hailing from a business background, being an Agrawal, I was still, not being there when it comes to business, because I was doing it out of passion. That plastic का वो recycle करना है, दुनिया को कुछ देना है, तो वो करके I was doing it, right? But then when it comes to a business, you have to earn profits to sustain any business, right?
Definitely.
And to earn profit, to sell the product, you have to make a product which is sellable, which is liked by people. And then they feel like, oh yes, we are giving money for the right thing. Even if you buy a 100 rupee thing, you feel like it's worth it.
Sahi hai.
So for that matter, first of all, we developed a few fabrics, which is not easy while we are recycling plastic, because we have some limitations. We cannot add colors, too much colors. There is a color which we add, but then जो आपने सोचा वो निकल कर आएगा, ऐसा होता नहीं है.
So every batch is different.
Every batch is different. अगर मैं brown fabric produce कर रही हूँ, तो वो brown fabric हर batch में इसका color अलग आएगा.
अच्छा.
That is one thing. Fabric production is okay. So I'm like, okay, जो fabric मुझे मिलेगा, I'll develop the bags out of that fabric, right? Then came the designing part. कि now being a designer myself, I was not able to focus on designing things because मुझे पता था वो मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी.
मैं पूछने वाली थी. डिज़ाइन करने के लिए इसको साइड में रखना पड़ता है कि वो सेल होगा नहीं होगा, या फिर व्हाट इज एक्चुअली द डिमांड, यू हैव टू केटर टू दैट.
Yes. Because आप आर्किटेक्चर में और इंटीरियर्स में वो कर सकते हो, बिकॉज यू हैव वन ऑन वन कॉन्वर्सेशन विद द जिसने प्रोजेक्ट दिया है द क्लाइंट. यहाँ पे क्लाइंट इज अ मास.
सही है.
मैं उसके बेसिस पे तो जज कर ही नहीं सकती थी. सो आई हायर डिज़ाइनर्स. आई वर्क विद सो मेनी फ्रीलांसर्स टू गिव मी डिज़ाइंस. कभी एक ने 2 दिए, एक ने 1 दिया, एक ने 10 डिज़ाइंस दिए. ऐसे बैचेस में हम लोगों ने डिज़ाइंस डेवलप किए. सैम्पलिंग वॉज अगेन इन अंडर माई.
कोई डिज़ाइन की फ़िलॉसफी होती थी या फिर कोई ऐसे कॉन्सेप्ट था दिमाग में कि ऐसा कुछ बनवाना है, या फिर यू वर लाइक लीविंग इट ऑन द डिज़ाइनर टू कम अप विद समथिंग, और यू हैड अ पिक्चर इन योर माइंड कि मुझे like how you want your brand to grow, how you want the product to come out, so you have to give some inputs. So were you doing that, or it was just totally left on the designer?
No, you cannot leave things on designer. Obviously, being a client,
Yeah.
I have to tell them that in what direction you have to design. So I always told them, there was one brief given to them: make the bags which are used by everyone. So I always designed for the age. The demography was 18 to 60.
अच्छा.
I was not limiting. हाँ, it was very wide. Obviously, मतलब वो सभी आ
Anyone
गए
can,
उसके
everyone
अंदर.
can
हाँ,
use it.
obviously not kids below 18.
Keeping aside the gender also.
Yes,
it's
yes,
gender
yes.
neutral bags
Yes.
for everyone.
Everyone. First of all, I wanted to do gender neutral bags. पहली चीज़. दूसरी चीज़, बच्चों के लिए तो नहीं बनाना था. मैं आज भी कोई मुझसे आके बोलते हैं ना बच्चों के लिए बैग ले जाऊँ, I say no.
ठीक
No
है.
bags for 18 below plastic वाले बैग, because it is recycled only. So I have this conscience कि मैं नहीं बेचूंगी, तो मैं
सही
नहीं
है.
बेचती, right? 18 to 60 के बीच में कोई भी उसको यूज़ कर सके. So we have a wide range of people using it. उस हिसाब से डिज़ाइंस बनाओ. Then we started developing laptop bags for
Office people.
because
Working people.
somehow the fabric which I had and the structuring we had come up with to make the bag look sturdy and pretty and attractive, it came out as a corporate bag only.
Formal.
Yes, we have earthy colors. You've seen
Yeah, yeah,
browns
yeah. Yes,
or light
yes.
yellows or
Yes, yes.
whites. So these are all corporate colors. These are
Right.
not colors which people use for their fashion accessory kind.
So you want to say it's not trendy enough, is it? I find that trendy.
No, I'm not saying that. What I mean is that then it becomes a more of a corporate look.
Right.
It's not a casual look. For a
ठीक है.
casual look, then you have to add some features to it to make it a different design, to make it look more trendy, which was a limitation with me at that point of time.
ठीक है.
Then we got into designs है, manufacturer नहीं है, because when I am getting my bags manufactured, so I am doing all the testing and I am doing all the कि वो सही है कि नहीं है, लोगो प्लेसमेंट टेढ़ा है सीधा है, स्टिचिंग सही है कि नहीं है, इट्स लुकिंग प्रिटी और नॉट, द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रैप्स इज गुड और नॉट. I did that, and Pri, I'm telling you, with one order of 400 bags,
Wow.
I messed up because I checked everything. I checked the zippers and everything, it was right. And the moment people started using the bags, all the bags failed.
What was the problem?
Straps were coming out. The stitching got open.
Oh. So
Even my sister got one bag, and she lives in Singapore, and they had put that bag पीछे check-in में, And when they got the bag, उसका वो निकला होता, strap निकला होता था. And I was like, oh
Yes.
shit, 400 bags, and it was a
big
wedding
number you're talking about.
gift.
Oh,
You
I
cannot,
was just imagining the client's face here.
you cannot believe. I incurred a huge loss there. That
What went
was
wrong? What was it? It
Because
was
my manufacturer had run away. He
Acha.
said I will not work. Why? Because I was a female leading him. Yes.
oh
Ego clashes were there. If my brother would talk to that manufacturer, he was like, हाँ भैया आप सही कह रहे हो. If I talk to him and I shout at him, मैडम मुझे आपका काम नहीं करना. I mean, I'm telling you out. This is straight.
still the scene here
Oh,
out.
you have
It's a very sensitive topic to discuss.
Oh,
Actually.
I can cry my eyes out right now.
Oh.
But it happened. So उसको छोड़ दिया. फिर दूसरा में फटाफट से मिला कि नहीं ये कर देगा काम, चलो ठीक है. किसी ने ढूंढ के दिया मुझे, उससे हमने काम कराया. सारे बैग्स फेल. I was in shock. मैं अब क्या करूँगी? Then I came to Jaipur, and Jaipur में this whole stitching game is really
Better.
strong, right? So I found here 2 manufacturers with whom I'm working. Again, आप अच्छा काम करोगे तो आपको अच्छा पैसा देना पड़ेगा. So the manufacturing cost
Went high.
triple.
Mm-hmm.
क्योंकि लॉजिस्टिक्स भी बढ़ गए ना. फैब्रिक तो मेरा इंदौर में बन रहा है, स्टिचिंग जयपुर में हो रही है, वो लॉजिस्टिक्स बढ़ गया. यहाँ पे मेरे पास फैब्रिक, आई हैव टू गिव इट टू द मैन्युफैक्चरर, वो लॉजिस्टिक्स बढ़ गया. उसने काम किया, उसके बाद वापस मेरे पास आया चेक करने के लिए, फिर इंदौर गया. द होल टाइम एंड द लॉजिस्टिक्स इंक्रीज्ड लाइक 10 folds I would say, because it was too overwhelming. But then I was getting the bag of the quality which I wanted.
So did you increase your sales?
Then comes the sale part. अभी एक part sort हुआ है manufacturing का. Now sales. So we tried website, we tried Instagram, Amazon, not picking really nicely. Then I started with the exhibitions. And someone suggested me do B2B exhibitions. So I started right before B2B exhibition. There was a point and I was like, after this exhibition, I am giving up. I was so tired that I was not able to gauge where am I going wrong. Why am I not able to place my brand where it needs to be when I'm putting in so many efforts?
Were we
Right.
lacking in educating people about this?
Yes.
I think that's where the pain point was.
Yes.
Yeah, because the product that you're talking about, like you shared the entire story. Now I understand the value of it, right? That it goes through a lot of process. The manufacturing costs so much. There are limitations to it also, and then you have to wait for months to come out. For like the small batch comes out after a long wait. So, how did you educate people?
So I'm still educating people. I'm still trying to do that whenever I meet. So maximum sales are happening when I meet people in person.
Because you're able to explain.
Yes, but this is my I would not say failure, but now I'm struggling to keep things. I'm educating people via obviously social media. So now we have started working in that direction. Whatever we put on social media has to be like educating only, right? So now we are developing content according to that.
Right.
So now that will happen. Sales will happen on e-com platforms and then website also. So my first D2C exhibition happened in January and then February first week, like this year.
Right.
That was my first ever, and within 5 days I sold the numbers which I would have never imagined.
Are we talking about Jaipur Lit Fest?
Yes.
See?
I don't want to say. Intelligent girl.
So I'm sure there were like really famous faces walking in.
I was at a position where no famous face came. I was in the back.
Acha.
But that's okay. That's completely
That's
fine.
perfectly alright. But
That
like
was a
I'm just
breakthrough.
asking, did you get eyeballs?
I did, and why? First, what I felt was my drawback, the colors and everything. That is what made people attract, because जितने वहाँ पे stalls थे, they were all very colorful,
Bright.
bright and colorful, because Jaipur है और सबको colors कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
and people came and told me your bags are so good to look at. I got a feedback from the other stall person, owner, that अरे आपके leather bags थे ना? मैंने कहा no. Someone told me someone is selling a leather bag का stall पूरा उनका लगाया
Actually, because of the colors, the brown,
Finish.
tan, finish. Okay,
yes.
okay.
So I was like, okay, I am happy, but though I should be offended because I have not touched leather in past 20 years. I don't do leather at all. So I was like, this is not leather brand, but okay, the look is good. I'm I'm happy with it.
Of course.
Sold a lot many bags there, and that gave me confidence कि yes, I'm going there. And because the crowd there was for the literature festival is educated.
Yeah,
or
they understand. They
right?
understand.
So that is where I was like, oh God, where were you guys?
I think the right type audience. So do you think that you will think of narrowing down your TG demographics, age group that you were talking about, that 18 to 60 bracket that you have made for yourself, or are you going to keep it open? So when you said that Litfest K audience were more receptive towards it, so did not change your demographic?
No, so what I realized is I cannot target Gen Z or Gen Alpha for that matter.
Definitely.
Correct? वो मुझे समझ में आ गया कि वो तो नहीं आ रहे 30 to 60 because maximum people who bought from me were the aunties and the writers and the educated people who are above 40.
So here you are answering it. That 18 to 60 was not fitting well for it. Or maybe you have to change the designing somewhere, is it?
Yes.
But I find them really trendy. Like I'm countering my own statement here. But yeah, even earthy tones can be trendy. It's not necessary that, they have to be colorful or funky in looks to, come in trends.
It takes a lot of time and effort for people to understand कि हाँ ये भी ट्रेंडी हो सकता है मतलब जो सिर्फ काम कर रहे हैं उनको फ़र्क भी नहीं पड़ रहा कि वो कौन सा बैग कैरी कर रहे हैं राइट बट जो एक कम्युनिटी फॉर्म हो जाती है कि नहीं हमें वी हैव टू डू समथिंग फॉर द इन्वायरमेंट विच पीपल आर गेटिंग अवेयर लाइक इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट बैंगलोर हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ कम्युनिटीज़ हु आर वर्किंग इन सस्टेनेबिलिटी एंड हु वांट टू बाय थिंग्स हु
एक्सेप्टेंस है वहाँ पे
एक्सेप्टेंस है राइट बॉम्बे है बैंगलोर है दिल्ली में तो कुछ नया आया ले लेंगे. So this is also what I got. Oh, this is so different. This is so new. I like it. I will buy it.
When
exactly. So then I realized that then I have to keep experimenting, and now we are doing gender specific designs also.
Acha.
Now we are doing that. Yes, we are developing gender specific designs now because
of the market demand.
Yes. If I have to do business, I need sales. For sales, I need to see who's buying.
You have to cater to the client.
Yes.
Okay. Now, I remember you talking that you want to take this product overseas, international markets. And there are countries which accept or are actually focusing on sustainable products. Like I've heard Sweden, Netherlands, even a lot of...
Australia, Japan.
Australia, definitely. Japan is there. So, any plans of taking handy there? Future plans?
Yes. So I am working in that direction also. We have a team of 2 or 3 people who are into cold emailing and approaching vendors.
Okay.
In these countries, in these brands who can, buy from us or see if our design values or our story can bode well with them. Because obviously, a European government specifically, Australian government, Japan majorly, these countries and these people are aware कि हाँ हमें environment का ध्यान रखना है. Europe already being so green, it always wants to do something which is environmental friendly, right? Now here comes the thing that plastic is not environmental friendly. That's a fact, right? It's not sustainable also by first definition. By second definition, it is sustainable, which people don't cater to.
I wanted to understand, like अभी you mentioned कि sustainable already अपन plastic को recycle करके बना रहे हैं, right? What happens to the bags which people discard?
I'll take it back.
So are you promoting it somewhere? Because either ways वही चीज़ वापस से waste बन जाएगी क्योंकि वो use होगी वो खराब होगी and then the same problem will come. So are we targeting that concern?
So first of all, nothing happens to the bag.
Acha, it's that sturdy.
Yes, it
Great.
is sturdy, and moreover, the fabric, it gets sturdier with time. We have been using bags for 6 years now.
For generations.
6
Buy
years.
one.
Yeah. It can be passed to your
Grandchildren, granddaughter.
It can become
Heirloom.
heirloom, right. So yes, nothing happens to the bag unless you put it on fire or cut it with scissors or knife or something like that.
ये तो बहुत ही interesting बात बताई.
It is washable,
हाँ.
right? अब कुछ भी grease लग जाता है, just wash it with the brush and then I'm good to go. There's nothing which can go wrong with this fabric or the bag unless you really use it, mishandle it. But then what we are proposing is, after a minimum period of 2 years, if you don't want to use the bag, you want to discard it, you give it back to me. I'll give you some cookie points or some money back guarantee. You buy from us the next bag and I'll give you some discount. This is what we're working on right now.
Perfect यार, ये तो बहुत ही बढ़िया चीज़ करी है. As a new business, I would call it a new business.
Yeah.
How important do you think developing a brand is? See, I face a lot of challenges when people come to me, prospects, clients, and they come that, brand banana hai, ye karna hai, we're starting a new business. And when we try and explain it to them that how, a lot of effort will go into it, it will take a lot of time, and you'll have to create a brand persona. No, it is just not a logo, it is not just an identity. There's a lot goes behind it, You must be doing that homework as well for Handy. So, how important it is to position your brand, to earn that premium, to actually get into the minds of the people, to get that recall that you always crave for, उस brand को देखा था वहाँ पे.
So I always wanted to create a brand that you also know. I wanted to do D2C brand only, right? But I did not know how, because we have never done a big D2C brand. Being business, coming from a business family, how to make money was okay, but how to create a brand was very challenging for me, because to be precise, I have been very stubborn on so many things, right? I will not do this, I will not do that, I will not do this with my bag, I will not introduce this with my bag, I want to show it like this and that. But why you go and why you want to place your bag in the segment where people buy? So if you have to cater to that segment of people, you have to make certain changes. If you want that recall value, you're saying, so but I have spoken with a few brand consultants. Apart from you, yes, we did not get time.
No, it's okay.
But then they told me one thing, that if you are placing your brand, you have to, first of all, your bags are not that different looking कि देखते से पसंद आ जाए, right? कि मैं ये खरीदूँ. These are classic designs which have been there. The designs are not very eye catchy also. So why would, to think from the perspective of the people you are targeting, कि why would I buy the bag, is very important. And if you think that because of you're doing very good to the environment, people will buy, no, it doesn't sell. People will not buy on that basis. So you have to see where you have to put the bag. If you want to do some design changes, if you want to do some color changes, if you want to do some और तेरा कुछ भी absurd designing so that it catches the eye of the people, ultimately they will buy what you are selling,
right?
The generic bag only. But then to catch their eye, you have to develop some designs which are very, कि इसको ecstatic, कि यार ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, let's see what's there. So
Add some pop to it.
Some attractive things.
So isn't it like the good old tote bags, we still run back to them. So why do you feel it's a challenge?
Because so now, since I have had so many ego issues right now with my thinking and what people told me, so now I don't do something which I think nahi yaar told back. So I have a team, I have some people who give me
R&D कर रहे हो?
Yes, कि कौन सा design हमें ज़्यादा लेना चाहिए. So for past a month we've been doing that.
Great.
Now I am taking one more month. I don't want to rush into it because I've rushed and I've spoiled things. So now we are taking it slow. कि कौन सा चाहिए design, ठीक है, जो generic है, जिससे लोग सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद करके आते हैं. So we are trying to make out the designs. We have developed colors also.
अच्छा.
Yes, now we have developed colors.
Great.
So yeah. In the background things are happening. So once I finalize the design, once the sampling is done and we do the shoot and then we put it out there and then we start running ads also. So that whole process of becoming the brand, कि यार ये देखा है वो जो आप बोल रहे हो ना कि आप लोगों की imprint हो जाना चाहिए, that is
psyche में register हो जाना चाहिए कि handy को लेना है.
Yes. So for that, for me the biggest turning point was this year's 2 exhibition. One was Plastpack in January and the other one was JLF. So now I have my hopes high and I'm more confident than ever that wherever I want to place my brand, I will be able to, because now I know what I have not been doing and is needed, I'll do that. Secondly, I've never showed my face. Now people are like, "Nahi, if you want to educate or you want to sell, don't show your face. If you want to educate, you need to show your face."
You have to talk because you know the story better, I think, than anyone else. You can tell your story better.
Yes.
Coming from your mouth is more authentic.
Yeah, but then it's challenging. I don't like the face camera. I don't like it. So now
There are ways.
Huh?
There are more ways to do it. There can be.
Yeah.
I also think. Acha, ever thought of collaborating with a designer, a big designer, to come up with a collection like Handy X, Sabyasachi.
on its way. I can't really, on its way.
Oh wow, we would love to see that.
But it's not Indian.
So maybe I was hitting the right chord by asking this question.
Trying to avoid it, but yes. Okay.
Great.
So I'm so sorry, I will not be able to tell you what we are doing right now. But then not Indian, because what I realize is India में exhibitions कर लो उतना बहुत है. But if you want to really turn the business into a global
Brand.
so you need to collaborate with the global brands which are known and which people use. So we have approached two
Great.
brands. So
Great.
not the designer but the brands.
I'm getting goosebumps already listening to this.
मेरी
So
रातों की
nice.
नींद उड़ी हुई है. To be honest. But yes.
So on the lighter note, why not I ask you some really fun questions? We'll take just 2 minutes.
Okay,
So rapid fire.
don't mind me.
Yes. So Atida is a morning person or a night owl?
I was a night owl, now I'm becoming a morning person.
What changed?
Discipline,
One word that describes Andy.
eco-conscious,
Beautiful. Dream travel destination.
space,
Ah.
stars.
A design trend that you love.
People are wearing and carrying what suits their personality. I think that is the best thing you could do.
That's the trend you love.
Yes.
Okay. Tea or coffee?
Charge.
Okay. Biggest thing that annoys you?
People not being on time.
Okay.
Commitment. People who give commitment and then they don't
Turn up.
turn up. Yes.
Your
Not even
relatives.
turn up. They don't be on that commitment. No.
One thing that you can't live without.
Air. I don't know. There's nothing which I cannot live without now.
If Handy was a celebrity, who would it be?
Okay. That's a difficult one.
Handy's persona matches who?
I'd say Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh, sturdy, long lasting.
Very.
Nice. Success in one word.
Success in one word. Okay. This was supposed to be rapid fire. Give me some time.
Just one word.
Right now, money.
Oh, a favorite competitor.
Favorite competitor.
Yes.
I think I would beg to differ. I don't believe in competition. Now I'm talking about the industry sisters or brothers. I would say I don't believe in competition now.
So Ati, thank you for being here. It was really, really lovely listening to your story. And it's really inspiring. And I really hope that we all take something from it. The way you're building this brand, it is fantastic. And I wish you all the luck.
Thank you.
And I'm looking forward to see this collaboration that you were talking about.
Yes.
Atida here was really inspiring. So for such stories, please click to know more, literally.